Fáilte roimh arás. Welcome back. Follow me, Miss Gaeilge. Let's learn Irish. Level A1, Topic 3. Level A1, Topic 3, on Teaghlach, the family or the household, on Teaghlach. A1, Topic 3, Rannóg a hen, comhaireamh daoine, Labhairt. So, Section 1, counting people with a focus on speaking. Comhaireamh daoine. Tá dhá chóras comhaireamh sa Gaeilge, ceann amháin chun rudaí a comhaireamh agus ceann eile chun daoine a comhaireamh. So there are two counting systems in Irish. One system for counting things and another system for counting people. A comhaireamh daoine, counting people. Duine amháin, duine amháin. So repeat after me. Duine amháin. Bert, Bert, Bert. Trúr, trúr, trúr. Cahrar, cahrar, cahrar. Cúigear, cúigear, cúigear. Anois, aber iad. Duine amháin, Bert, trúr, cahrar, cúigear. Arís, again, repeat after me. Duine amháin, Bert, trúr, cahrar, cúigear. Seisir, seisir, seisir. Seachtar, seachtar, seachtar. Ochtar, ochtar, ochtar. Naonúir, naonúir, naonúir. Deithnúir, deithnúir, deithnúir. Arís, aber, tar éis mise. Again, repeat them after me. Seisir, seisir, seachtar, seachtar. Ochtar, ochtar. Naonúir, naonúir, deithnúir, deithnúir. And now let's go through them all. Duine amháin, Bert, trúr, cahrar, cúigear, seisir, seachtar, ochtar, naonúir, deithnúir. Now it's your turn. Say them as they appear on the slide. Duine amháin. Bert, trúr, cahrar, cúigear, seisir, seachtar, ochtar, naonúir, deithnúir. And now see if you can tell me how many people appear in each of the pictures. Duine, Bert, trúr, cahrar, cúigear, seisir, seachtar, ochtar, naonúir, deithnúir. Did you get them all right? Let's try that one more time on your own. How did you do? Ní theochaigh na hibhreacha pásanta aníos an scáileán san ord cheart an uair seo. So this time, they will not come up in the same order. So be prepared to see how you can do. Alright, Gaeilge, off you go. Trúr, naonúir, ochtar, duine, seachtar, deithnúir, cúigear, bhairt, ceathrar, seisir. How did you do? Agus uair amháin eile, beagání níos tapa inis, and one more time, a little faster this time. Cluiche Slabhra Chomhaireamh, a counting game. So this is a game that can be played with 2 or more people. If you don't have 2 or more people to play the game with, you can skip this activity or just practice counting by yourself. Duine, bhairt, trúr, ceathrar, cúigear, seisir, seachtar, ochtar, naonúir, deithnúir, and see if you can go from 1 to 10 without a mistake. If you make a mistake, go back to the beginning and start over. So here are the directions for the game. Deirfidh tusa duine amháin agus deirfidh an chéad duine eile sa cearcail bhairt. So one person starts off with 1, and the next person says bhairt. Deirfidh an chéad duine eile sa cearcail trúr agus an chéad duine eile ceathrar. So the next person says trúr, and the next person ceathrar, and so on. Leannig a raig mar sin timpeall an cearcail go dtí deithnúir, and you continue on like that until you get to 10. And sin tosoig an slabhra arís, and then the chain starts all over again. Má dhéanann duine botún tá an duine sin curtha amach as an glutha. If someone makes a mistake, they're put out of the game. Má bhíonn duine Teaghlach chuirfar an duine sin amach as an glutha. So if somebody's slow, or they're put out of the game. Ar deire ní bheidh an ach duine amháin fágtha buíochas an slabhra. So at the end, there'll only be one person left, the winner of the chain game. Cead, how many? Cead. Cead duine atá ann. How many people are there? Cead duine atá ann. Cead duine atá ann. Trúr. Cead duine atá ann. Seachtar. Tá seachtar ann. Aber imime dhéag, say after me. Cead duine atá ann. Cead duine atá ann. Agus anois, a chomhaireamh daoine, and now counting people, a little more practice. So, cead duine atá ann. Tá bhairt ann. Cead duine atá ann. Tá cúigear ann. Cead duine atá ann. Tá seachtar ann. Cead duine atá ann. Tá trúr ann. Cead duine atá ann. Tá duine amháin ann. Cé bhé duine atá ann? Tá ceathrar ann. Cé bhé duine atá ann? Tá séasar ann. You'll probably notice when we ask the question cé bhé duine, we use the singular form of duine after cé bhéid, unlike English, where we would use the plural when we ask how many people or how many things. In Irish, we always follow cé bhéid with the singular form of the noun. So it's cé bhéid duine atá ann. Cé bhéid duine atá ann? Tá deithiúr ann. Cé bhé duine atá ann? Tá ochtar ann. Cé bhé duine atá ann? Tá mlíonúir ann. Like an bilóg ag comhaireamh daoine uait don gníomhaíocht seo. You will need the handout ag comhaireamh daoine for this activity. Ag comhaireamh daoine. Féach ar bhosca a seacht. Look at box number 7. Cé bhé duine atá ann? How many people are there? Seachtar. Féach ar bhosca a dó. Cé bhé duine atá ann? Bairt. Cé bhé duine atá in ngach pictiúr? How many people are in each picture? Scríobh isteach na freagraí agus an sin cur ceist ar the fortnéir faoin méid duine atá I pictiúr áirithe. Write in the answer and then ask your imaginary partner how many people are in a specific picture. Mar shampla, cé bhé duine atá I pictiúr a hain? For example, how many people are in picture 1? So you're going to answer each question and then you're going to ask the questions yourself, pointing to different boxes and answering it. And if you do have a chance to work with a partner, tóg gach duine seall a chur ceistena ar a forty. Each person will take a turn asking their partner questions. Cé bhé duine atá ann? How many people are there? Ag sína méara ar na bosca atá I gceist acu gach uair, pointing the finger to the box in question each time. Folklore, vocabulary. Fear is a man. Fear. Fear. Say it after me. Fear. Ban, a woman. Ban. Ban. Buíochas, buíochas, a boy. Buíochas. And the word gasúr is also used. Gasúr, gasúr. Colleen, a girl. Colleen. Or girsach, girsach, girsach. So we have fear, ban, buíochas, and Colleen. Okay, here we go. Fear, repeat after me. Fear, ban, ban. Buíochas, or gasúr, buíochas, gasúr. Colleen, or girsach, Colleen, girsach. And see if you can do it by yourself. Fear, ban, buíochas or gasúr, Colleen or girsach. Agus inis uair amháin eile, and one more time. Buíochas, fear agus ban, fear, ban, cailín, buíochas agus cailín, or gasúr agus girsach. Beag an bilóg ag comhaireamh daoine uait arís don gníomhaíocht seo. You'll need the handout ag comhaireamh daoine again for this activity. Anois, féach ar an milóg. Now look at the handout. Féach ar bosca a chathair. Look at box 4. Sin buachal, sin fear, sin ban, agus sin cailín. That's a boy, it's a man, it's a woman, and that's a girl. Anois, an fear sin a caint, this man talking, is fear me. Okay, I am a man. Sin fear, sin ban, fear óg, sin buachal, a young man, sin buachal. Ban óg, sin cailín, ban óg, a young woman. It's a cailín, a girl. Agus anois ceistena, and now some questions. Cé bhéad fear atá ann? How many men are there? Cé bhéad fear atá ann? Aber im a dhéag, say it after me. Cé bhéad fear atá ann? Cé bhéad buachal atá ann? How many boys are there? Cé bhéad buachal atá ann? Aber im a dhéag. Cé bhéad buachal atá ann? Cé bhéad ban atá ann? How many women are there? Cé bhéad ban atá ann? Aber im a dhéag. Cé bhéad ban atá ann? Agus an ceann deireanach, and the last one. Cé bhéad cailín atá ann? Cé bhéad cailín atá ann? Aber im a dhéag. Cé bhéad cailín atá ann? Agus anois ag féachant ar an milóg, and now looking at your handout. Cé bhéad fear atá in Mosca a tree? How many men are in box 3? Cé bhéad fear atá in Mosca 3? Bert. In Mosca a cuaig. Cé bhéad fear atá in Mosca a cuaig? How many men are in box 5? Trúr. In Mosca a 10, in box 10. Cé bhéad fear atá in Mosca a 10? Seisir. Agus ag leanúint a raig, and continuing on, cé bhéad cailín in Mosca a cuaig? Cé bhéad cailín in Mosca a 6? Cé bhéad cailín in Mosca a 8? Agus cé bhéad cailín in Mosca a 9? Cé bhéad buachal in Mosca a chathair? Cé bhéad buachal in Mosca a 6? Cé bhéad buachal in Mosca a 7? Cé bhéad buachal in Mosca a 9? Cé bhéad ban in Mosca a 2? Cé bhéad ban in Mosca a 4? Cé bhéad ban in Mosca a 8? Agus cé bhéad ban in Mosca a 10? Agus anois aber le chéile, and now working together. So if you have a partner, you can do this activity with them. In grúpi berta, chur gach dara ceist ar a chéile. In pairs of two, take turns asking each other questions. Fáil mór hain, learner number 1, cé bhéid fear atá ann? Ag sína mera ar bhosca a cuaig mar hampla, pointing their finger to box 5, for example. So how many men are there? Agus an fáil mór adó, siúr. Cé bhéid cailín atá ann? A bosca an lé mar hampla. And learner number 2 returns with a question, how many girls are there? Pointing to a different box. Buin trí las. And that wraps up this section. Conas daoine a chomhaireamh agus na hibhreacha pásanta a haon go dtí a 10. Lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course are available, along with audio files and links to Quizlet flashcards and study tools. Original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge's website, or edited versions can be found at simplyjacintha.com. Direct links will be in the description box below. Míle buíochas de Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thabhairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a sliomh. So many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for permission to use the learning resources on their website. Tá súlagam gur bhaint sibh tanavas. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Like and subscribe if you got some value out of it.